Engineering has several different facets. Of course, we are primarily involved in civil engineering, which means road, bridges, water, sewer systems. But there's many different disciplines in engineering, such as electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, aeronautical engineering, and it goes on and on.
Engineers design the infrastructure and are the reason that our society works, because they build and design and make sure everything functions so that we can live a nice, comfortable life.
So for engineering, a lot of common courses that go across like chemical, civil, mechanical, industrial, petroleum. Courses that kind of cover all of them are like chemistry, math, physics. Sometimes you'll get some circuits, like electrical information in there. So a lot of it comes down to math, like math courses, and it's not always something really complicated.
Definitely your medium to higher level math courses, science courses, English courses, and from a senior level, it wouldn't hurt to invest in business courses, because a person may also want to get their MBA one day, along with the engineering degree, or start their own business, and that would truly help out.
Well, you have to be a self-starter. You have to be able to work on your own sometimes, but you also have to be a people person, because we do communicate regularly every day with contractors, with city and county officials, because most of the work that we do is for municipalities and governmental entities. To be definitely be a people person, you have to be able to have presentation skills as well as writing skills.
Engineering is a vast field. There are so many different variations and subfields that you can go into that salary ranges are very dependent on that, but generally starting out as an engineer, you will probably make around $60,000. The median wage for all engineering was about $90,000, with agricultural engineering being at the bottom. I think it was like 60 or 70, and then petroleum engineers are where the money is at. That is where you make six figures and above.
Well, as you're aware, I'm sure, Northeast Mississippi is one of the highest growing areas or fastest growing areas in the Southeast region. Whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial, they all share two things, and that is that they have to be accessible, roads and bridges. You have to have access to utilities, such as water, sewer, electrical, and natural gas. So with those needs in the growth of our region, there will always be the need for civil engineering or electrical engineering or any of those engineering disciplines in Northeast Mississippi.
Automation. So a lot of things are going towards like the automation side of things. So it doesn't really matter what engineering field you go into. I was chemical, but if you take some electrical courses or some like programming, just kind of know what you're looking at there, that would be very beneficial.
Everything. I personally love building things and getting dirty. I love working in a machine shop. I love designing things. So being able to take ideas that are just in your head and then being able to go to someone and say, I have this idea, and then they work with you and you're able to draw it out on paper first and go through many designs that way, to taking it to an actual machine shop and having it built out, to it actually being an item and something that you can physically use and touch. And the creativity and building is my favorite part.